guys, I am Cinquanta Cox-Smith. I am an author and I created a new interactive journal for authors called In Between This Novel. And what I want you to do is ruin this journal. So this book is great for authors who run into a writer's block, or after you finish a novel, you will need to recharge and refresh. So what other way than to have something fun to kind of get your brain to get back together after all of your characters take everything out of you. So inside the journal they have great prompts like this fun one we just did where it says drive over this book with this page open, and you see the tire marks here. There's also other fun prompts in this book. One that says every time someone asks you about your book, write it down with dates. So there's a lot of fun prompts in here that can be done at home or out and about when you're carrying the book around. I am going to show you guys a few different prompts in the book so you can understand how to use it. First few prompts, the book is looking a little but it's okay. It's supposed to be a ruin this journal in between each of your novels. So enjoy. Fuck this shit up. So I'm super excited to see what happens when you get your interactive journal in between novels. I want you to ruin it and then tag it on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, wherever, and tag me at Cinquanta Cox-Smith. In the meantime, ruin this journal.